The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is generating quite a buzz, and it's no wonder why. Rumors suggest that Samsung is making some significant design changes to improve the foldable experience. According to a Korean blogger, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will feature improved ultra-thin glass and a thinner design. Additionally, it's expected to offer a more durable hinge and take design cues from the S24 series. However, if you're hoping for an S Pen slot on this foldable phone, it seems that might not be part of the package just yet. Overall, Samsung has more or less mastered the foldable phone at this point, so even though the Galaxy Z Fold 5 was similar to its predecessor, we're excited to see what improvements the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will bring. We first heard a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 leak back in April 2023, long before the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 had even launched. This information came from leaker 8TechRev, who has a reasonable track record. They claimed that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 would have a major form factor change. Subsequently, they got more specific, stating that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 would alter the aspect ratio of the cover screen. While they didn't specify the exact nature of this change, it's worth noting that previous Z Fold models featured a relatively narrow cover screen compared to other flagship foldables like the Oppo Find N2 and Google Pixel Fold. Therefore, it would make sense for Samsung to widen it. This potential change would result in a cover screen that resembles something closer to a normal phone screen. Interestingly, another source has also weighed in, suggesting something similar. While it's not confirmed yet, it seems increasingly likely. Interestingly, Samsung had already confirmed to TechRadar during the development of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 that they were experimenting with a wider form factor for better usability and grip and portability. However, they ultimately stuck with the relatively narrow design of its predecessors. In summary, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 could indeed bring about significant design changes, addressing some of the fan demands for improvements in usability and screen proportions. In the same post that suggests a revised aspect ratio for the Fold 6, it's claimed that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will use the same image sensor as the Z Fold 5. It's not clear, though, whether they're just talking about one camera here, in which case likely the main one, or all of them. Since then, we've heard more specifically from another source that all the cameras on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be the same as those on the Z Fold 5. For reference, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 has a 50 megapixel main camera, a 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide, as well as a 10 megapixel camera on the cover screen and a 4 megapixel under display camera on the foldable screen. So some or all of those might remain the same on the Z Fold 6. However, another source has since claimed that Samsung is considering using the same camera for the Z Fold 6 as for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video, and see you soon.